Oscillating tools are the most versatile and impressive ones ever built for working, because you can literally use them to grind, sand, scrape, and even cut different materials. Moreover, you can feed the tools where typical power tools cannot reach. But finding the best oscillating tool for your certain work must be tricky among tons of similar items. Hence, we have featured the 7 best oscillating tools for you to finish your last stage of any project. So without any further ado, let's get into the video.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
Tools with the maximum accessories and performance make the best kit as a one-time solution. Hence, we have the Porter Cable PCE 605K52 Oscillating Tool Kit, which contains 52 pieces of accessories at once while providing the highest revolution in count. Equipped with a 3-amp motor, it can finish your job with fast performance to breeze through the most demanding projects. You can gain from 10,000 to 22,000 OPM that romps through the toughest projects while ensuring easy control. It'll amaze you by offering 52 accessories that can take over all sorts of oscillation products. Also, its toolless blade swap system lets you interchange and transit accessories whenever you need them. Furthermore, you'll find a 10 feet long cord and depth cutting guide to work with ease, so it can stand well in ergonomics besides the features. Overall, if you need a complete package with the most accessories and higher performance in one go, this will be your best pick. Introducing Rockwell Sonicrafter FAD, which is the most decent dual-tech oscillating tool, meaning it is the best for performing heavy metal works as well as woodworking. It has dual oscillation technology that lets you choose from a 5-degree mode for aggressive or a 3.5-degree mode for precise cuttings. So these precision settings will be perfect for metal finishing jobs. With a speed dial, you can control the 4.2 amp motor to customize the precision from 10,000 to 19,000 OPM, so you can tackle a wide variety of projects with it. It even features a work light for dim and dark work sites. Furthermore, it comes with a standard and fast wood blade, semi-circle HSS and bimetal blade. So if you are on the hunt for an oscillating multi-tool for the most precision metal works, this one will satisfy you more than anything else. A good tool may decrease your productivity if it lacks the ergonomic feel in your hands. Meet the Bosch GOP 5536B oscillation tool, which feels the most premium with a sturdy build quality along with the highest amperage from its robust motor. Equipped with a large 5.5 amp motor with reinforced metal gearing, you will have more revolution with less friction. With speed dial, you'll gain 8,000 to 20,000 OPM in splash to match speed to the application for outstanding results. Combined with this 3.6-degree arc and the best-in-class blade grip, you can experience more torque transfer. Plus, it has the no-touch blade snap function by which you can accomplish flush cutting, plunge cutting, sanding, grinding, and many other tasks frequently. About ergonomic facts, you'll feel the comfort of grabbing this lightweight tool in a comparatively narrow grip. In short, this oscillation tool will be a fit for you if your goal is to have a quick oscillation on different applications with extensive revolution speed. Your budget matters a lot because you might not always be able to afford expensive tools. But when it's BLACK+DECKER BD 200 MTB Oscillating Multi-Tool, you can have flagship performance from a budget-friendly tool. This tool is very lightweight, yet it can provide high performance use through a 2.5 amp motor. And the motor can generate 10,000 to 20,000 OPM, which is enough to take care of your sanding, cutting, scraping, grinding, and more. With 6 different speed settings, this tool will deliver you precise performance that fits your job. Besides being lightweight, it has the quick lever for fast and easy accessories changes in busy work periods. Moreover, you'll have a firm hold and increased control by its ergonomic comfort grip. All things considered, this will be an excellent oscillating multi-tool that'll utilize your needs like a flagship multi-tool on a friendly budget. Durability gives you freedom in use of a tool. Hence, the Milwaukee's 2620 M18 Oscillating Multi-Tool is one of the best durable cordless tools on the market because of its all-metal housing form factor. Packed with an 18-volt lithium battery, this cordless multi-tool is perfect for your home-to-business usage in different places. Moreover, you can have extensive 12-speed settings to cut, grout, and sand your desired application having 11,000 to 18,000 RPM precisely. On top of that, you can use it in extreme conditions as it has all-metal housing unlike many expensive tools. Plus, a non-slippery rubber mold grip will help you avoid accidental scratches. In addition, there is an LED light and battery fuel gauge indicator to help you keep your work things flawless. So for anyone seeking a durable and high-performing cordless oscillating multi-tool, this will be your winning bet. The cordless market is gaining ground on corded devices for a similar outcome. Yet you have to deposit the Makita XMT03Z oscillating multi-tool to unveil the most corded-like performance from cordless tool. Packed with an 18-volt LXT battery, this tool can provide 20 minutes of continuous runtime, which is worth the price. Also, you can make use of the speed dial for fine finishing different applications with a variable speed from 6,000 to 20,000 RPM. The control of this tool is quite ergonomically improved. You can slide a large switch to turn on or lock it as needed. It also has a 3.2-degree oscillation angle, which is engineered for faster, more aggressive cutting and sanding. Plus, a toolless clamp lets you install accessories faster. Overall, Makita is a well-trusted brand, and if you're a remodeler, floor installer, or contractor, this oscillating multi-tool will give you ample output to make your clients happy. And here is our top pick, the DEWALT DC-S356D1 Oscillating Multi-Tool, which is the overall best for its robust performance and most lightweight ergonomics combined. Packed with a 20-volt max battery and brushless motor, this compact tool can provide 57% more runtime over its brushed family members. And you can switch between 13,000 and 20,000 RPM to conduct all sorts of cutting and grinding based on your application. For more precision in work, its dual grip and variable speed trigger provide ultimate speed and application control in 3-speed modes. However, this tool is so light and ergonomic that you can change the blades and attachment without using wrenches. All in all, this oscillating multi-tool is the most lightweight on our list and is recommended for those who prefer performance and strolling at the same time. So that was all about the 7 best oscillating multi-tools for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. And subscribe to our channel for more videos like this on your feed.